Pero pinilit ko pa rin siyang umupo at maya-maya.
You can't just lock me and make me sit somewhere. I have so much talent, I have so many skills to be used in this, and I can't just be plonked somewhere just because you want to do everything on your own all the time. You need to rely on me too. We're meant to be a team. This is not just Adam anymore. It's been so hard for you on your own. Don't leave me here.
I'm not leave you.
I can help you. And even if it's just being in company, I don't want to be on my own either.
Lumakad lang kami ng lumakad pero hindi ko alam na papalapit na rin pala kami. Kaso,
Gusto namin nahanapin. Pero ngayon, we are seeing the tower, so it might be here. I don't know.
I think you're right.
palapit na ng palapit pero hindi